to meet health and food safety standards while also preserving the natural quality and flavor of the fruit. Before being put on the market, fruits must go through a thorough cleaning and grading process. After being harvested from the orchard, the fruits are put through the cleaning process. First, the fruit is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, residue, and other impurities on the surface. This procedure is usually performed with clean water. After that, the fruits are disinfected with antiseptic technologies such as ozone or UV rays to kill bacteria and remove harmful substances. After being cleaned, the fruits are carefully classified according to size, color, ripeness, and quality. This is to ensure that only the best products are selected for the next process. Fruits that meet standards will be collected and concentrated in containers. Drain and prepare for packaging. After being harvested, the oranges will be gently put onto the conveyor belt for sorting. First, workers will remove long leaves and pest-infested branches. After that, the oranges will be moved along the line through the inspection machine to disinfect, clean, and remove fruits that do not meet standards. Standard oranges will be classified according to size, color, and ripeness. After being classified, the fruits are transferred to the packaging area. Clean and sort lemons. After being washed, lemons are graded based on size and quality. Fruits that are uniform in size and show no signs of disease will be selected for the next process. After that, the lemons will be moved along the chain through inspection machines to disinfect, clean and remove pests and damaged fruits. Finally, lemons that meet good quality standards will be transferred to the packaging area. Finished product packaging process. Staff prepare packaging for each different type of fruit. Put appropriate packaging into the production line to package products. All fruits, after being cleaned and sorted, will be packed into appropriate packaging. Fruits are placed in pre-prepared packaging. Each fruit product is often labeled with important information such as product name, origin, harvest date, and expiration date. The packaging process must be done cleanly and ensure hygiene and safety. Before leaving the factory, fruit products need to be quality checked again to ensure that they meet food safety and quality standards. After packaging and inspection, the fruits will be transported to retail locations or distribution partners to reach consumers. Thank you for watching.